Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this period? I hope you guys are good. So today I'm making akara using chickpea. Chickpea is a type of legumes. It has a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and iron protein. So just sit back and relax, and I will show you on how I prepare akara using chickpea. If you like what you see, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, here are the ingredients in preparation for this meal. This is chickpea. I soaked it for about 8 hours, minimum 8 hours, maximum 12 hours. Bell pepper, egg, chopped onion, 1 seasoning cube, and vegetable oil. So guys, I'm about to blend the chickpea. In blending chickpea, please do not use a normal blender that you use for your fruits or for tomatoes. It's advisable to use either food processor grinder or an industrial grinder, because chickpea is very hard in texture, and if you use a normal blender it will get destroyed. So right now I'm adding chopped bell pepper and onion. You blend until it's properly smooth. So look at it now. I'm using spoon to scrape out the edges. You blend properly until it's smooth. Okay guys, I'll be transferring the chickpea puree into a bowl. Look at it now, it's properly smooth. You crack 1 egg and whisk. One seasoning cube and use warm water to dissolve it. Add ginger powder, mix together. Add the mixed spices. Guys, in this recipe there's no need for you to use much spices. Add egg. You can use little spices, either salt or Maggi. Then whisk together and follow the same consistency. If you have whiskey machine, it's better, but or wooden spatula. So guys, to achieve a neat frying, You have to set a bowl of water aside while frying the chickpea. Allow the oil to heat up for about 3 minutes on a medium heat before frying. Dip a spoon into a clean water, scoop out the chickpea puree and fry. Follow the same process. Dip the spoon into a clean water, scoop out the chickpea puree and fry. Just take a look at it now. The frying is very neat, but when you don't follow this process, the frying won't be neat. Fry until it's golden brown. After 2 minutes of frying, use a spoon or fork to separate it so that it won't stick together. Flip it on the other side for it to fry. Take it out from the pan and place it on a paper towel. Repeat the same process by dipping the spoon into the bowl of water, scoop out the chickpea puree and fry. Take it out from the pan, place it on the paper towel. So guys, I will show you what inside looks like. Outside is crunchy and inside is very fluffy, soft like bread. Just take a look at it. And you can eat this chickpea akara with pap, custard, bread, oatmeal. Inside is very soft. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I really do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, subscription is free. Please subscribe, like, share, and tell me what you think about this recipe. Will you give this recipe a try? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead and stay safe. Bye.